Hi, this is Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice. This is my people plus bonus content. What's he doing? What's she doing? So be sure to stick around for the second part of this video for the bonus content. Okay, great. Let's start. This is my teacher. He looks interesting. This is my father. Is he strict? This is my mother. Is she a doctor? This is my friend. He looks funny. This is my grandfather. He looks cheerful. This is my sister. She looks happy. This is my brother. He looks cool. This is me. You look beautiful. Okay, extension. What's he doing? What's she doing? What's he doing? He's sitting on a bench. What's he doing? He's shopping. What's she doing? She's cycling. What's she doing? She's running. What's she doing? She's celebrating. What's he doing? He's skating. What's she doing? She's talking on the phone. What's she doing? She's walking her dog. Okay, great job. And don't forget to ring that bell to get all of my videos. And please check that box to get my posts. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. Yeah. And for flashcards and worksheets, please check out my website, markkulek.com. Okay, thank you. And I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.